Now, here is a picture, a diagram of the male mammalian gametes. So we are going to look at the structure of the mammalian gamete and the function of each structure. So now this is the structure of the male cell, which is known as the spermatozoa. So now it is divided into different segments. So we have this segment here, this one here, and we have another one here, and we have another one. So then from here, so we have, so this is the edge. So this place from here to here is the head. So now this tiny segment is the neck, and here is the middle piece, and this part here is known as the flagellum, sorry, so, or the tail. So, and lastly you can see the end, the tail piece. So now, so these are all the segments of the spermatozoa. So now on this edge we have this part that is known as the acrosome. So this as this acrosome is it contains an enzyme. So this enzyme helps to give to help the sperm to be able to go through the female reproductive system. I'm going to do it again.